The girls who refused to be silent. In a quiet neighborhood on the outskirts of Port Harcourt, there lived 3 girls whose friendship was stronger than gossip and louder than fear. Zainab, Amarachi, and Bisi attended the same public secondary school, wore the same brown uniforms, and shared the same dreams, though the world kept trying to shrink those dreams. Zainab loved mathematics. Numbers made sense to her in a way people often didn't. Yet, each time she raised her hand in class, some boys laughed. "Math is for boys," they said. Zainab smiled, wrote harder, and solved faster. Amarachi wanted to be a journalist. She asked questions adults avoided and kept a small notebook where she wrote stories about her community, flooded streets, hard-working women, and children selling sachet water after school. Her aunt once told her, a girl should talk less. Amarachi wrote more. Bisi dreamed of becoming a software developer, even though her parents worried more about early marriage than coding. She borrowed her teacher's old laptop and stayed back after school to learn, even when light was gone and the generator was silent. One afternoon, the girls discovered that their school planned to withdraw them from a regional science and innovation competition because only 2 slots were available. And teachers believed boys would represent the school better. Instead of crying, they met under the mango tree behind the classroom. They talked, argued, planned, and finally decided they would not beg, but they would present evidence. Zainab compiled her test scores. Bisi demonstrated a simple mobile app she had built for tracking school attendance. Amarachi wrote a powerful letter and read it aloud at assembly confident and respectful. By the time she finished, the school compound was silent. The principal adjusted his glasses. "You girls have reminded us," he said, slowly, "that ability does not wear a gender." The school sent 3 girls to the competition. They didn't just participate, they won 2nd place. But the real victory came later. Younger girls began raising their hands more. Parents started asking questions. Teachers started listening. And under that same mango tree, Zainab, Amarachi, and Bisi made a promise to keep learning, keep speaking, and keep opening doors so other girls would not have to knock as hard. Because when girls are educated, communities do not just grow, they rise.
If you enjoyed this inspiring story, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you. See you in the next video.